Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you how to apply and become a Shein reseller. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So honestly, if you're looking for a relatively easy fashion side hustle, becoming a Shein reseller is a really smart move right now because the brand is already massive and you don't have to spend any time convincing people that the clothes are trendy. Now the demand is basically built in. Now it's essentially an online arbitrage business here, which is just a fancy way of saying you're going to buy the clothes at a deep discount directly from the source and then flip them to your own audience for a neat profit. Now, the best part here, there are absolutely no corporate gatekeepers here, so you don't need to apply for a specialized wholesale account and you don't need a formal business license or retail permit just to buy from them. Now, here's how you exactly set this up. Now, first, you want to go to their website or download the app and set up a standard shopper account using your email, Google, or Facebook login. Now, that's literally all it takes to get access to the inventory. Now, from there, you want to start building your stock. But my advice here is to be a bit strategic. So, don't just buy random items, pick a specific vibe like streetwear, cozy loungewear, or festival outfits and focus on that. When you're ready to buy, your absolute best friends are going to be the Shein's constant flash sales, like bulk promos and coupon codes here. And the cheaper you can buy the clothes, the wider your profit margin will be when you resell them. So try ordering a good mix of sizes at first to see what your crowd actually buys the most. Now, once your inventory arrives here, you need to place to actually show it off. So you could build a formal e-commerce website, but honestly, if you're just starting out, keep it quite simple. Just create a dedicated business profile on maybe like platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or even on Facebook. Now, to actually get people to buy, or do people actually buy your products here, marketing is going to be everything here, which is a huge thing. A huge trend is that working incredibly well for resellers right now is going to be live on TikTok or even Instagram. So you can do live claims where you show off an item and first person to comment gets to buy it. Now you can also do aesthetic try on hauls or style reels to show off the item that you have right now. So if you have a little bit of a budget here, you can even send a free piece or two to micro influencers in the fashion space to get them to shout out your page. As you start making sales, make sure to click email addresses so you can send out quick, friendly weekly newsletters whenever a new box of stock actually drops. Now, just a few things that you may want to remember here. So if you're selling on a peer-to-peer marketplace like let's just say Depop or Vinted or even Poshmark here, always be 100% transparent that the items are from Shein. So buyers really appreciate about the honesty here about where the clothes are coming from and what the material is, and pricing them fairly will keep your reputation solid so people keep coming back to your shop. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.